is an unordered collection of elements with no duplicates. The basics use of a set is to check membership testing and eliminate duplicates entries. These set objects support mathematical operation, okay, such as union, intersection, difference, and also symmetric difference. We can create a set using curly brackets, brackets, yeah, or braces, something like this. Okay, we can create the set by using these brackets. Or if you want to create an empty one, okay, we can use set. We can create set like this. So this will be an empty set, okay, with this function. Let me go and create a set here for you. So it's gonna be set of Freuds, okay. Right over here, let's add some Freud, okay. You name it, I type it. Mango, what else? Apple, good. What else? Come on. Again mango. Okay, why are you repeating it? Watermelon. And also, what else? Again apple. And one more thing, which is going to be orange. So I created this set. As you see here, we have mango, apple, mango, watermelon, apple, and orange. Why do I repeat it to here? I want to show you that the set do not allow repeated element. So right over here, down here in line 2, if I just print the Freud, and you will see something like this, okay. This is the output: apple, watermelon, and also orange and mango. Why? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 elements, but here we have 4 elements. Oh, I forgot. I told you that it's not going to be repeated. Okay, repeated element is not allowed on sets. So here it is. Now you learn the set will not allow you to use things like repeated things. Okay. Also, we can check some kind of membership here. Okay. How can we check membership? Let's use an if statement here. Okay, if orange is in Freud's, let's print what? Let's print the orange itself, okay? Let's see if is it going to do that for me or not. Oh yeah, it is printing the orange for me. Okay, so we checked if the orange exists within a set. We check the membership, right? So orange member of Freud's, so we print it. Okay, if we add something else, let's go with oranges. Okay, we add an S here. Now when I ran it, you see nothing here. Why? Because we don't have that. Okay, we just have only one orange here. We don't have oranges. If I add an S here, okay, and save it, now you see orange, okay, because we have oranges now. Perfect. What else do we have? Let's go and see if the set has length len function or not. Okay, so I'm going to check for the Freud. Okay, let's print this and see the result. Okay, so it is giving me 4. Why? We have more than 4. We have 6 elements here, but 2 of them are repeated. You see, we have 1 apple, 2 apple, okay, 1 mango, 2 mango. So the repeated element is not allowed in the set. Okay, this is the other thing you can learn here. Okay, so you learn how to get the element, get the length of the set. You learn how to check the membership. What else can we do with this? Okay, let's go create another set by using the set function itself. Okay, so we have this, okay, Freud, and I'm going to just add a set here and remove that kind of brackets or braces and change it to this. Okay, now when I save it, and now if I print this, let me see what do we have here. Okay, it's giving me an error. It's telling me that type error, set expected as must 1 argument. You got it. Okay, it got 6 argument. So this is another thing that you can learn from this. Okay, so right now you see that we have a set here within this function, and I provided 6 arguments here. This is not allowed. Okay, let me change it to something else. Okay, I'm going to change this to 1 argument. Okay, when you add more argument, it's not going to be allowed. I'm going to add something like this, 1 up to 7. Now this will be selected, or this will be counted as 1, that each of them is going to be 1 element. How? Let me print this and see the result. Okay, still we have an error. Is telling me that type error. Okay, integer object is not iterable. Okay, no problem. I can change it to string. Okay, for example, we can have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay, let's save it and run it. Now you see that each of these letters changed to an element. Okay, we have C, D, F, E, H, A, G, B. I'm going to run it once again, and I'm going to show you something here. So as you see here, okay, before we had CD, but now we have AC, that these are not ordered. Okay, every time you run the program, it randomly changes the place of each letters. Okay, so it is how it's gonna work. Okay, and let me change this to A. I'm going to have another set which is going to be B, and let's add some letters like this: A, B, C, D, U, H, I, L, something like this. Okay, and I'm going to do some mathematical operation here. Okay, so we have subtraction, right? So it's going to be equal to A minus B. Now I'm going to save it, or I'm going to print the sub. And let's see what is going to happen here. So you see it is giving me G, F, and A. Why? Because we have A here and A here, so this will be removed. We have B here, B here, that will be removed. C and C, D with D. It will give me G. Okay, we have G in A, but we don't have G in B, so it will be added into the element here. And also we have F and E here. Okay, we don't have E in the second one, then this will be added here. I'm going to change this. Okay, I'm going to replace this. Okay, B with A. Now it's gonna give me another result. Okay, with a different result. This time is IUL. You know that. Okay, why? Because this time we have U here, but we don't have U in A. We have I here, we don't have I in A. Okay, we have L in B, we don't have L in A. So it is how some mathematical operation work with sets. Okay, let me go with something else. What else can we do? Can we do some what is that? Concatenation. So let's go and see that. And let's see what is it going to give me. Okay, so it is telling me that unsupported operand type plus set and set. So now you see that concatenation is not allowed in set. Okay, we can do other thing, but we cannot do this thing. Okay, how about multiplication? Okay, the multiplication is not allowed as well. Okay, or repeating that is not allowed. So here you learn something about set. Okay, set doesn't have too much thing. This is enough for the set. Okay, through the course we are going to cover some project, and you will learn even better than this one.